and welcome to BlueSnake. In this video, I'll show you how to change the ringtone on the handset. So what you do, select menu, go down to sound, ringer, and then select what you want to do it for, external or internal. There are 15 tones, and some of them sound familiar. Take a listen. Like this one. Too funny. But it's the same for internal, it's the same thing. Volume allows you to turn up and down the volume when the sun's out. And quiet mode is off or beep. Yep. That's in quiet mode. You have tones, but that's not related to this video. Thanks for watching. Oh, I forgot. Press this button or press back multiple times to exit out. Actually now, thanks for watching.